Hi everyone, welcome. Um, Welcome today in the daily newspaper. We have here in this additional uh, six extra Sudokus. Letter Sudoku, Sudoku with 2 stars, Sudoku with 3 stars, tectonic puzzle, binary puzzle, and a tectonic 1 star. In yesterday's newspaper of Saturday. Yes, yesterday's newspaper, Saturday, October the 9th, 2021. Today it's actually Sunday, and the 3 puzzles I have solved was yesterday. So today, the rest of the puzzles. The letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, and the tectonic I will solve. First one is a letter Sudoku. This will be a number 3516. Yes, 3516. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright. So let's get started. Not digits. Yeah. Letters. 27 letters. 27 with digits. I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, a letter Sudoku, I need more time. I think between 15 and 20 minutes, I need to solve a letter Sudoku. So, let's get started. Those letters, we have 9 of them. The D, the E, the A, the J, the I, the V, the K, the R, and the L. Alright. Alright. Let me see. Which letter can I use? The D in this row. The D in the middle row. So the row above. The only 2 places for the D should be here or there. We see there D, no D there. D should be there. Okay. We have a J in this column, J in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only 2 places for the J should be here or there. We see there J, no J there. J should be here. The J in the 3rd row, the J in the 2nd row. So the 1st row, only place for the J should be there. J in the last column, J in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the J should be here, here, or there. We see that J, no J there. Here, J, no J there. The only place for the J should be here. J in the 3rd column, J in the 1st column. So the column between the 2nd column, the only 2 places for the J should be here or there. We see there J, no J there. J should be here. And all the J's are used. I can see. Letter number 1, letter J. Okay. 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letter is the I. We see here an I, no I in these 2 boxes there, and I, no I in that box. So 1 box left for the I should be here. Okay. Alright. J, D, the K, the I, A. Let me see. D in the first row, D in the second row. So third row, only two places for the D should be here or there. We see there D, no D there, D should be here. D, 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 D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters. In this row, one of the missing letters is the D. We see here D, no D there. Here D, no D there. There D, no D there. Here D, no D there. The only place for the D should be here. Alright. Alright. Then the L in the last column, the L in that column. So the column between, the only two places for the letter L should be in those two boxes. We see here an L, no L there. L should be here. Alright. Okay. Then. Interesting. K in the first row, K in the second row. So the third row, only place for the K should be here. Alright. Alright. Well. Yeah. 3, 4, 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an E. We see an E, no E in these two boxes. There an E, no E in those two boxes. So the E could be here, could be there. So we have an E in one of those two boxes. In the last column, E in that column. So the column between, only place for the E should be there. Yeah. Then two missing letters in this column. Those missing letters are the R is missing and the V is missing. The R and the V. We see an R, no R there. R should be here and the V goes there. Alright. Alright. V and I. Alright. Yes. 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an I. We see here an I, no I in these two boxes. Here an I, no I in that box. So the I could be here, could be there. So we have an I in this row, I in one of those two boxes in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the I should be there. One box left in this big square for the letter V. The V is missing. Alright. Alright. We have an L in this row, L in the middle row. So in the row below, the only two places for the L should be here or there. We see that L, no L there. L should be there. L in this column, L in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the L should be here or there. We see there an L, no L there. L should be here. Alright. Let me zoom this out. Okay. We have here E. The E is missing here. The E and the V is missing. E and a V. Yeah. 3 missing letters in the third row. One of the missing letter is a V. The V. We see here V, no V there. Here V, no V there. The only place for the V should be there. The V. The A is missing and the A and the L, yeah, L in this row, L in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the letter L should be in these 2 boxes. We see here an L, no L there. L should be here. 1 box left in this third row for the letter A. 2 boxes left in the first row for the letters E and the V. We have a V there, no V there. V should be here and the E goes there. 1 letter missing in this big square for the letter R. Yeah, the R is missing. 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an R. We see an R, no R in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the R. Should be there. R in the first column. R in the second column. So the third column. Only place for the R should be here. R in this row. R in this row below. So in the last row, the only place for the R should be here. And I've eliminated the E, so the E should be there. Then. Yeah. R in this column, R in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the R should be here or there. You see there, no R there, R should be here. R in this row, R in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the R should be here or there. We see here an R, no R there, R should be here. And all the R's are used. I can see. Letter number 2, letter R. Then. 2 letters are missing in this row. The letter E and the letter K. We see an E, no E there. E should be here. And K should be there. Okay. Then we have a K in this row, K in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the K should be there. 1 letter is missing in this big square for the letter V. So we have a V in this row, V in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the V should be there. V in this row, V in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the V should be here or there. We see there V, no V there, V should be here. And all the V's are used. I can see. Letter number 3, letter V. Okay. 2 missing letters in this big square. The A is missing. And the A and the I is missing. We see here an I, no I there. I should be here and the A should be there. Alright. 2 missing letters in this big square for the letters. A is missing. And letter O, A, and the I. No I we have here. And the E. A and the, yeah. A and the E. A and the E. We have A there. So no A there. A should be here and the E goes there. Alright. Alright. 2 missing letters in this column. Those missing letters are the E and the I. E and the I. We have a I there, no I there. I should be there, and the E goes there. And no. 2 missing letters in this big square for the letters A and the E. A and the E. We have a E there, no E there. E should be here, and the A goes there, and all the E's are used. I can see letter number 4, letter E. 2 missing letters in this column. The letters I and a K. We have an I there, no I there. I should be here, and the K should be there. And I've solved this word vaderlijk in Dutch. I think in English should be fatherly. Yeah, fatherly. Is this correct? Looks like a father, yeah. Alright. Now we have D. Yeah, the D is missing here. How about those 2 missing letters in this row? Those missing letters are the A and the K. We have a K there, no K there. K should be here, and the A should be there. 1 letter is missing in this big square for letter A. 2 missing letters in this big square are the letters A and the D. We have an A there, no A there. A should be here, and the D should be there. D in this row, D in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places for the D should be here or there. We see there D, no D there, D should be here. There. 1 box left in the last row for the letter. The L is missing. Yes, the L is missing. And 2, the final 2 letters in this big square for the letters I and a K. We have a K there, no K there. K should be here. And I goes there, finish in 18 minutes. Yes, I've told you 15 to 20 minutes I need for a letter Sudoku. So I'm very well pleased with the time, and I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku. It will be a 2 stars Sudoku. See you then. Bye bye for now.